It is a beautiful day out here in Silang, Cavite, Philippines. I am pretty bored at the house. It's around 11 now, so I'm gonna go up and check up on Tim, tell stories, probably watch rugby, and then come back. It's Sunday. So here's the thing. I hope Tim is at the house because he always like weekend. I mean, he's been working like it's been super busy. That's why we haven't been to training. That's why I haven't done any dune. That's why I haven't done any training vlog, rugby training vlog, because he's been busy weekend in, weekend out. So I hope he's at the house. He's not here. We actually have new neighbors. He's not here. So my Hans was right. He went to work. Storm. So apparently he went to work. Timmy! You're not Timmy. Oosh. What happened here? Hello, boy. Hi, boy. I came here to visit you and your papa, but your papa is not here. How are you? You shower? Oh, nice. Nice, feeling fresh. Anywho, I just texted Tim and he's not off to work. He just went out, probably do laundry or something. So he said he's gonna be coming back in a minute. So I don't know why I'm just telling you this, because I'm just trying to make a daily vlog. So I'm trying to input more monologue. Yeah, Tim's gonna be back. He's not off to work, so I think Tim is doing a little bit of cleaning up or rearrangement of the whole house, because the TV is there, not here, there, and I'm watching on the laptop. Oh, McDonald's. So yeah, Tim hasn't come yet, so just gonna wait. He said he'll be here soon. Hey. How? So, Tim is here. We got some grapes and pizza. Sekis pizza. New TV. Apparently this one is broken. How much? Please.
Connect the Wi-Fi.
Oh, Wi-Fi. This is what success looks like. You buy a big TV.
On your education, I was hoping for stronger competition.
Have you played this before? Israel.
Anyway, I just got back from Timmy's. Enjoyed the new big screen. Eat some pizza and a lot of grapes. Just because I'm watching from the big screen now, 55 inch. Watch some rugby highlights. And then I walked all the way down here. Wonderful afternoon. The boys are already here playing some football, so I'm gonna join them, play some football. Apparently our pitch is overtaken by the frisbee people, and the pitch here haven't been mowed yet. Hopefully this week, so we can play like Thursday on a good pitch. So yeah, I'm gonna go and enjoy some game. See you on the next one.